Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about HTC Instruments LX1010B Digital Lux Meter. Here is the unboxing of HTC Lux Illuminance Meter. Let's keep it aside and let's check the component. In that there is a premium-looking synthetic leather box. In box, we get HTC Instruments LX1010B Digital Lux Meter Illuminance with auto-zeroing capabilities. You can be sure you'll always get a reading with pinpoint accuracy, and it will always be fast. And also, it has easy red display for clearly readable info, lets you read units and signs easily, and stay informed with the over-range indicator. On the component, we can clearly see that we have sliding switches. In first sliding switch, it gets 3 modes, on, off and hold feature. And second sliding switch, it gets 3 modes. Second mode shows 20,000 illuminance, which is 10x of 2000. And in third mode shows 50,000 illuminance, which is 100x illuminance. First mode shows 2000 illuminance. You'll also benefit from its lower power consumption and short rise and fall times. In first sliding switch, it gets 3 modes, on, off and hold feature, where the hold feature is used to hold when you're recording information. As well as it has convenient switches to get better control over your readings with data hold and peak data hold for when you're recording information. Second mode shows 20,000 illuminance, which is 10x of 2000. And in third mode shows 50,000 illuminance, which is 100x illuminance. In first sliding switch, it gets 3 modes, on, off and hold feature, where the hold feature is used to hold when you're recording information. Fits easily into a work bag or large pocket and barely adds any weight. It's the ultimate in light metering convenience. Technical specification. Model LX1010B. Size 116 by 70 by 29 mm. Process value 18 mm 0.7 inch LCD. Ranges 0 to 50,000 lux over input, indication of I. Sampling time 0.4 second. Operating temperature 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Operating humidity 0 to 80% RH. Display 3.5 digits LCD. 0 adjustment, automatic. Weight 340 grams.